Hi guys, and welcome back to the Auto Trader Garage. Now, in our continued series of videos about the absolute essentials that you have to have for your DIY garage, today we're talking about screwdrivers. So let's not screw it up. Now, there are just about as many screwdrivers on the market as you could possibly imagine, and they're all pretty much going to work exactly the same. It really all depends on your personal preference and handle style. Now, I have quite a broad selection of screwdrivers that I've collected over the years, and each one serves a certain purpose. And for me, it is more about the handle style than anything else. So starting with the Phillips screwdrivers, that is the Starpoint screwdrivers, I like to use these with a rubber handle from Mastercraft. Moving on to the Flathead screwdrivers, I like to use these see-through orange ones from Wera. I think that's how you pronounce the name. Really, the four-pointed handle really works well for the flathead style that I prefer to use. Then, I've had these for about as long as I've had my tools, and that is a set of these little dumpy screwdrivers. Very, very useful for getting in behind dashboards and underneath chairs and seats, and yeah, very indispensable. I've always found that these useful when I least expected it. And then I invested in a set of micro screwdrivers. Now, these are not used very often and are more related to the electrical system of the car, and when we start talking about things behind the dashboard and fuses, that type of thing. But also very, very useful when you have them. Not very expensive. I think each one of these sets of screwdrivers cost me less than 250 Rand, and they are lifetime guarantee, which is always a good thing to be looking out for when you're buying tools that are subject to the kind of wear that you get with screwdrivers. Well, there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about screwdrivers. Now, we highly recommend that you invest in some good quality tools, especially screwdrivers that are subject to a lot of wear, something that has a lifetime guarantee that you can put in your toolbox and keep there for the life of your home DIY automotive work.
Search Auto Trader.